Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free food on Doordash. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my profile. As you can see, this is like my balance and everything. But then down here, as you can see, it says gift cards. So when I press redeem, it asks for the gift card code, and I know the site. So the website's called lootbuy.com. So come over here, type in Doordash, press unlock for 130 points, and now we should unlock the Doordash promo code. So as you can see, we got it. So I'm gonna press copy code, and then I'm gonna return to Doordash and paste in the code. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, it says redeeming. So we're just gonna wait, and then $100 was added. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. So let's get into it. So the first thing is you need to get points. So as you can see, I got like 400 points right now. So how do you get points? Well, you have to download apps and like do certain things on them. So like this Travel Town's like a game. I have to reach level 9. They give me 70 points for doing that. These ones are easier. They're like apps, so you have to download them and like do stuff. So like World Winner, it says install, redeem your points. So you get 60 points if you do that. DraftKings, same thing. So you just want to do a couple of these until you've accrued enough points to get the Doordash reward. Most of the rewards on this site are like 130 points, as you can see. So it's overall pretty easy. But yeah, be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, just make sure you do a couple of these apps or whatever pops up here so you can get points. As you can see, I have quite a few points because I've been actively doing this. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, be sure to try it out, guys. It fully works. So I'm going to see you in another video. But if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. Super wild, you know, it's actually working. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Just make sure you download some of the apps and you're gonna be all set. So peace out, guys. Yeah, no computer involved or anything like that, so you can just straight up do this without that stuff. So yeah, as you can see, all the stuff on this site is pretty wild. It's a good amount of stuff. So if you want something else, some other kind of reward, it's probably on the Loot Buy site, which is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to try it out. If it fully works for you, that is awesome. But yeah, I haven't had any like jailbreaking or any of that, so I think it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. But yeah, this is super wild, so try it out for yourself, and peace out.